So when you combine the bubble of the water feature with the sizzle of the grill, then you're really talking.
now we're cooking with peanut oil.
now we're cooking with peanut oil. Welcome back to HRS. The official start of spring is 1 week from today, and that means it's time to get your home ready to enjoy warmer weather and everything that comes with it. This segment is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. Micah Miller is the managing member. He joins us now with some good outdoor cooking inspiration. Micah, welcome back.
Thank you.
Okay, disclaimer. We were going to do this outdoors today on that
amazing
set.
We were going to go out onto the patio.
We were so excited to show you what y'all built for us.
Yeah.
Because you have the outdoor kitchen out there. The weather got in the way, but that's okay.
Oh, well, it's a nasty day.
But that's what you get when you have an outdoor seating area, patio, kitchen.
Yep, you're kind of having to play around the weather.
But that's okay. It's worth it.
That's right.
Okay, so most people have a deck or something outside where they have a grill.
Yes. Oh,
come on.
That's minor league.
That's minor league. At Easton Outdoors, you build outdoor, stunning, amazing kitchens.
Yes.
Talk about that.
Yeah. So we want a space where people can lay out food, have the grill, even have side burners. So if you're trying to like saute something, have something cooking on the grill, even put something on a smoker, we're trying to build an entire setup. Sometimes there's bar setup for seating. Sometimes you're sitting by a waterfall. Sometimes it's literally just a place where you can set out your drinks.
Well, let's talk about that right there. We're seeing everything you need right there in one little place.
That's right. So
one
you have
little corner.
Bar seating, like this one you're looking at has like an outdoor pizza oven, has a grill. This is a poolside bar. I mean, there's just like, you can kind of set them up based on how you're hanging out in the space and how you're living outside. But it ends up being the perfect complement to a space, because what goes better with being outside than eating outside, right?
Oh, and that one was covered, we saw.
It was.
So.
Yes.
That's the only thing missing here at Wavy.
I know, exactly. We just need to put a cover over the outdoor.
No, we're not doing that.
Wavy set.
Okay, so you can do just about anything, small, medium, or large.
That's right.
You customize all your jobs.
That's right. Yeah, absolutely. And so, like for me, I'm constantly on a smoker. I don't need a grill. I cook everything on a smoker, burgers, wings, everything goes on my smoker. But I do need a spot where I can still sear and get things hot. So I have a griddle on one side, I've got a side burner in between them, and then I have a little kitchen sink. And that's my setup that I use. So I can wash my hands, I can put stuff on the smoker, I can prep it right there. I can do steaks on the smoker and then sear them on my griddle. So, you know, it's just how do you like to cook? What do you like to eat? And then you set it up.
So if you're at home and you have certain appliances that you like, they can accommodate that.
That's right.
That's what you're saying. You can do just about anything. And some people will say, well, how expensive is it? How much does it cost? I mean...
That's the fun part, right? I think.
We don't normally get into cost, but go ahead.
Yeah.
Tell people, I mean, you work with anyone's budget.
That's right. So your basic setup generally starts right around 12 grand. That includes granite, getting a plumbing line out there, one appliance, the block work, everything that goes into it, including some lighting. So for about 12 grand, you're outside cooking and you have a place to lay out all your food and enjoy being outside.
And what that does is it adds to the value of your home.
It does.
And it adds to the value of your life, because people work hard for a living and they want to relax and enjoy what they have, their biggest asset.
Some of these things are intangibles, right? So people say, hey, how does this add to the value of my house, the resale value and things like that? Well, maybe this extends your life because you have lower cortisol or less stress.
Right.
You know, things like that. It's not quite tangible, but it does make a big difference.
How much do you enjoy, I mean, when you first came on the Hampton Roads Show, we were basically talking about water features, but now when you incorporate a water feature into an outdoor kitchen, now we're talking really nice.
That's the sound of a water feature for me is the key. So I don't necessarily need to see it. I like the stunning waterfalls, but the sound ultimately is what does it for me, because it kind of it brings this element to the space, that sound, and it kind of just brings the whole mood down. Especially if there's like road noise in the background and you have the sound of the water flowing. Right. You miss the road noise just for the sound of the water.
So when you combine the bubble of the water feature with the sizzle of the grill, then you're really talking.
Now we're cooking with peanut oil.
now we're cooking with peanut oil. Can you put in some outdoor speakers as well?
Absolutely.
Of course you can. Anything you want, they can do at Easton Outdoors. Micah, thank you for joining us here on HRS. Next time.
Yeah, next time we'll be outside.
Next time we'll be outside.
And we'll show you the kitchen we built for them.
Exactly. Rain or shine, we'll be out there. All right, this segment of the Hampton Roads Show is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. They're located at McGuire Place in Newport News. Give them a call, 757-262-3232, or visit easton-outdoors.com. Check them out on social media as well for inspiration on Facebook and Instagram at Easton Outdoors LLC. Mike is doing a great job with that. You'll see some great inspirational stuff. And please tell him you saw him here on the Hampton Roads Show.